Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. I am Taylor. If you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to like and subscribe down below and leave me a comment, especially if you are new, so we can connect and I can follow you back. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I got this eye look that I'm currently wearing. I did a Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 initial thoughts and reviews and an eye look in my last video. So if you guys are interested in that, just click on over. And I promised in that video that I would try and do a more bold look and also a more neutral look. So this is the more bold look. I did use some brighter colors. It's really fun and I love the way that it turned out. I'm really inspired by this palette. It's so fun and bright and warm and it just makes me think of a sunset, this eye look. So if you guys love it as much as I do, just keep on watching to see how I got it done. So here I am tapping into the color Perfectionist, and I'm just going to take a large fluffy brush and work that all over the upper part of my lid right above the brow bone. This is just going to open up my eye a little bit and give a soft transition between my brow bone and the color that I'll eventually put there and my natural skin tone. Next, I am reaching for the shade Lolly Mama and a slightly more tapered but still fluffy brush. I'm using right underneath that color we just applied to blend them into one another and working slightly lower on the lid. Now I am grabbing the shade Therapy Sesh and I'm going to get a smaller fluffy brush and just work that into the outer corner here and blend it up into those last two colors that we applied. Here I am picking up more of that color but with a smaller brush. This one is a detailing brush. It's really little, still slightly fluffy but much smaller because I have tiny eyes and this helps me to work into that inner corner. We're going to start to create a little bit of a halo shape for this look. Now I am grabbing the shade Not My Journey and I'm going in with a smaller tapered fluffy brush here and just blending that into the outer corner, making almost a V shape here to really focus that depth right on the corner of my eye. Here I am grabbing the shade A Moment right there and I'm just going to put that on my finger and work that on to my eyelid, being really careful of my lash extensions. And I'm focusing that color just on the light part of the lid where that halo was not at. We're going to put the shimmer there just to bring the lightness to the center of the eye. Here we're going back into the shade Lolly Mama and we're going to pick that up on just a flat brush here. And that's going to be worked into the lash line. I'm not going all the way into my inner corner here, just slightly fluffing it about midway through the lash line. And then I am going to go back and grab the shade Not My Journey and we're going to focus that on the bottom line as well, outer corner, and also smudge that in just to bring that brightness and that color pop around the eye. And then here we are going to, I'm in it. We're going to use this to brighten up that inner eye corner and bring some light to the inside of the eye here. Sometimes people skip this with a halo eye and like to really focus that brightness just on the center of the eye, but I do love a good inner eye corner color and just pop on my eye shape, so this is a step you can skip if that's not what you look for when you're doing a halo. Lastly, I am grabbing the shade Certified, and I'm just going to put that on a small brush. This is like a tiny little pencil brush, and just work it right underneath my brow to highlight that and bring my brow bone out. Here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like these tutorials, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you've tried out this look, let me know in the comments below or tag me in your photos because I'd love to see how it turned out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe below.